turn off the light. There's a big boy. What's the big boy doing? Choo-choo! Jugga, 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 choo-choo! Davey's driving a train. He's driving the train. The alphabet train.
There's a new big boy.
The alphabet train. Once upon a time there was a Dave. He was driving the alphabet train. He's a big boy. What's on? Got his Sky cuddles and Chase cuddles. Got Day. He always in bed. Ah, there's your babies. Got a couple more. Actually, where is it? We found 2 of them. Which one? That one. Yeah, was it the top one? This one and this one. We found these 2 at Salvation Army. Got them for like 10 cents. 10 cents. I love Salvation Army. There was a, what's it called? I can't even think of it. There was a Little People farm down there. But we got him a farm, but I wanted the old version. And I think it was that one. It had the bell on it and everything. But I'm unsure if he has it. Nope. He has the regular one as I'm talking. I wanted the one with the bell on it. I probably would have got it for like $2. I love Salvation Army. They help us out a lot. Food, Christmas, all that stuff. I have an autistic son. Costs a lot of money. I'm happy. I'm gonna get back to my breakfast. Waffles and cream soda, Dr. Pepper. Have a nice day, y'all.